have further, as I have previously explained, कि sleeve cap, that to develop sleeve cap, we have to draw diagonal lines from this point to this point, and from diagonal line from here to here, and then we have to divide these diagonal lines in further sections, like from this point to this point at half we have to take 1 point, and from this point to this point take 1 point at half measurement, and from this point to this point we have to divide into 2 this line, and then at this section, like at this point, we have to divide this line in 3 sections, 1 2 3. Now you can see that I have divided these sections, these small sections, in 2, and this section in 2, and this section in 2, and this section in 3 divisions. After dividing these sections, we have to further draw, small lines of specific measurements. Like we only have to draw lines by keeping this line as a reference. Like this section was divided in half, and then I have used my Japanese scale in this way, and then I have drawn one line here. Can you see? And at this section I have drawn another line, but this is like we are developing sleeve cap, so we are drawing vertical lines by keeping this line as a reference, this diagonal line which was drawn at first. Like you can see, like I am keeping my Japanese scale in this direction and then drawing my line. At the same way, I am drawing this line by keeping this diagonal line as a reference. So I'm showing it again, like this point. At this point I have marked one vertical line. At this point I have marked one vertical line which is outward, this is inward, this is outward also. And at this section I have divided this diagonal line in 3 sections, 1 2. Like you can see this point over here, you can see this point over here, 1 2 and 3. And at the first section I have drawn one vertical line which is inward and kept this mark as it is. Isko maine nahi chheda. Now I'm repeating this whole thing in Urdu, but I think that everybody can understand. But if you I think everybody can understand. I don't think so I should repeat in Urdu. So well, second step is that I have drawn like I have to give specific measurement to these lines, these small lines. Like this line will be of like this line will be of 1.7, this line will be of 0.75, 0.75, this line will be of 1.7, this will be of 0.75, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. Well, I am drawing one vertical line above here also, like on the left section. This point will be kept as it is, this point will be kept as it is, and at this point, like which is the intersection point of these two lines, I will mark one vertical line by keeping this line as a reference. Like this line as a reference. So I was talking about this part, like I have drawn one vertical line from this part. This line will be of 1 centimeter length. Now I have to draw sleeve curve. Sleeve curve, to draw sleeve curve, I have to align some lines. I will further make some points, like for sleeve cap I will draw one mark. I will take one mark at 1 centimeter over here, and at one mark at 1 centimeter over here, and then at one mark I will draw one mark. I will take one mark at 1 centimeter over here. Like I have to draw some marks, like at 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So I was talking about, like, can you see this upper section which is marked with the diagonal lines, and they are further divided into sections. And so after dividing these lines, the last thing which I have just told you, that you have to mark some points at 1 centimeter on this horizontal line on right side, and on this upper section, like on both sides of this point, like 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now I will draw the curves of sleeve by using the French curve. Okay, अच्छा, अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि मैंने 1.9 के ऊपर एक लाइन लगाई हुई है, देन 1.8 पे लगाई हुई है, और 1.7 पे लगाई हुई है, 1 पे लगाई हुई है, और 0.75 पे नीचे की तरफ लगाई हुई है. सो इसको अगर आप कंप्लीट तरीके से देखेंगे तो वो इस तरह से दिख रही है. लाइक इस सेक्शन में 1 के ऊपर यहाँ लाएं, एक मार्क लगा हुआ है, 1.9 पे लगा हुआ है, देन 1.8 पे लगा हुआ है, उसके बाद 1 के ऊपर 1.7 ऊपर की तरफ 1, और फिर यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक मार्क है, और यहाँ पर 0.75 पे नीचे है. और अब ये एक फ्रेंच कर्व से मैंने यहाँ पर इसकी शेप देनी है. ठीक है, फ्रेंच कर्व से मैंने देनी है. वो मैं कैसे दूंगी? यहाँ से मैंने ड्रॉ करना है, इस मार्क को मैंने कनेक्ट करना है, देन इस मार्क को कनेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद इस मार्क को कनेक्ट करना है, और फिर ये बाहर वाला जो पॉइंट है उसको करना है, और फिर ये वाला मार्क कनेक्ट होगा, और फिर ये जो है वो बेसिकली एक स्मूथ लाइन रहेगी 1-1. फिर ये वाला मार्क इससे कनेक्ट होगा, और फिर जो है वो इसके साथ कनेक्ट होगा, इसके साथ, और फिर ये 1.9 होगा, और फिर ये इधर हो जाएगा, और फिर ये एक स्मूथ लाइन आ जाएगी. ठीक है. सो what I was telling you just right now, that I have divided these diagonal lines in some sections, and then I have taken some lines with the specific measurements. Like if you will see this section, like this section on the right, then I'm telling you that I have divided this line into half, and then taken some word, then taken one vertical line inward at 1.9 centimeter, and this section divided into half and taken one vertical line on upward section of 1.8 centimeter. This line was of 1.9, 1.8, and marked some points marked 2 points at 1 centimeter on both sides of this line. Like this line will be of 1.7 centimeter, this line will be of 1 centimeter, and this line will be of 0.75. Now I will use the French curve and will draw the curve, sleeve curve. Like from this point will connect this point to this point and will develop a smooth curve, and then this point, and then I will draw sleeve curve outward, will connect this point to this point, and then this point, and there will be a smooth line over here, and then this line to this line, and then this point to, and then inward at 1.9, and then this point, and then there will be a smooth line. Okay, I have drawn sleeve curve at the section of sleeve cap. So you can see that I have drawn sleeve curve from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, this point, this point, and there is a smooth line over here, and then from this point to like here, and there is a smooth line at 1 centimeter. ठीक है, मैंने जो है वो स्लीव कर्व जो है ड्रॉ किया है इस तरह से, यहाँ से पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट करते करते यहाँ पे इधर स्मूथ लाइन आ जाएगी, फिर इधर से कनेक्ट करते करते ये और यहाँ पे पॉइंट, इस तरह से स्लीव कर्व डेवलप हो गया। ठीक है, स्लीव कर्व में जो है मुझे फर्दर जो है वो 2 सेक्शंस लेने हैं ताकि हम डिसाइड कर सकें गैदर्स के लिए। लाइक जो ये वाला सेक्शन है यहाँ पे मुझे 1.8 के ऊपर एक मार्क लेना है, 1.8 यहाँ से मैं मेजर करूँगी 1.8 पे और एक मार्क ले लूँगी, और इधर से मैं 3.5 पे मेजर करूँगी और एक मार्क ले लूँगी। सो आफ्टर ड्राइंग दिस स्लीव कर्व which will define the sleeve cap of basic sleeve pattern, now I have to further work on the height of the sleeve cap. Like at this section I will mark 1 point, I will mark 1 point by taking measurement of 1.8, like from here to 1.8, and then I will mark 1 point, and from here to this sleeve curve line I will mark 1 point at 3.5. सो हमें यहाँ से इधर से इसी कर्व के ऊपर एक पॉइंट लेना है 1.8 के ऊपर, और ये आ गया यहाँ से 3.75 पे, 1 ये, 2 ये, 3 और 0.75 पे ये, और ये जो लाइंस होंगी ये वाली वर्टिकली इस तरह से खींची जाएंगी बाहर की तरफ, जो कि गैदर्स बनाए जाते हैं इन लाइंस के अंदर। ठीक है, मार्क पॉइंट्स ऑफ ये ईज पॉइंट्स हैं, बल्कि ये ईज पॉइंट्स हैं, ये 3.75 पे। सो यहाँ से इसी कर्व के ऊपर मैंने 1.8 पे ऐसे करके लाइन ले ली है, और इस पॉइंट के ऊपर मैंने 3.75 पे ले लिया। सो आई हैव मार्क्ड 2 vertical lines on the sleeve curve lines at the height of the sleeve cap, like taken measurement of 1.8 from this point to this point and mark vertical line, and taken measurement from this point to this point at 3.75 and mark vertical line. So sleeve is ready. Now the last step will be to write the pattern information. You have to write name, then name of the pattern, size. After writing the pattern information, we have to mark the names of the points like A, B, C, and D.